Yes, I'm going to get Muzzy's black box. Ah, entrance. We go in here.
What are we going to do?
We're going to look in all the rooms.
Be careful. That says danger, no entry. We mustn't go in there.
No, we must go this way.
Ah, here's a box. Look.
That's it. That's the right box.
What does this mean?
It means it's dangerous. It isn't safe. You mustn't open it. Oh, that was dangerous. You must be careful. Look, this is the way out. Feeling better?
Yes, I'm all right now. Off we go! I like driving.
You're driving too fast.
No, I'm not.
How fast are we going?
120 kilometers an hour.
You mustn't go faster than 100. Look, it isn't safe.
Oh, dear. You're right. I must go slower. How far is it?
How far? How far is it?
120 meters.
It didn't go far enough. How hot? How hot is it?
35 degrees.
That's too hot. Oh. How fast?
How fast are we going?
50 kilometers an hour.
That's too fast. Be careful. Too late. How far is it? Did you write it down?
Of course I wrote it down. Go 30 kilometers and then look for 3 big trees on the left.
There they are. 3 big trees.
Now, straight on. Can you see a telephone box?
No.
There it is. Now go slowly. And look for a small road.
It's all right. There's Bob.
What are we going to do, Corvex? Where's your secret place?
We're nearly there.
Shh! Don't worry, it's safe here. No one can see us.
I can.
Oh, she can talk.
I can.
What a clever baby. Can she talk, then?
Shut up, Thimble. Follow me through here.
Lovely. I'm better now. Did you bring my black box?
Yes, we did. Here it is.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Now I'm going to find the little princess with my black box.